In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Leaderboard in Skool. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to look so you can see who's climbing the ranks in your community and how participation is being recognized. First, a quick bit of context so everything makes sense. Skool uses leaderboards to showcase engagement inside each individual community. That means there isn't one global scoreboard across all of Skool. Every group you're part of has its own leaderboard, reflecting the activity and contributions within that specific space. This is great because it keeps things relevant to the conversations, lessons, and events happening in that community. Let's begin by opening the Skool community you want to check. Head into the group where you're already a member. The leaderboard you're about to view will be tied to this exact community, so make sure you're in the right place before moving on. If you participate in multiple groups, remember you'll need to repeat the same process in each one you want to review, since the results don't carry over from community to community. Once you're inside the community, look for the section labeled Leaderboard, or sometimes Leaderboards. You'll typically find it in the main navigation area for that group. On desktop, that's often near the top menu or along the sidebar, where other tabs like Posts, Classroom, and Calendar live. On mobile, it will appear in the community's tab bar or within the menu for that group. The wording is consistent enough that you'll recognize it when you see it. When you open the leaderboard, you'll see members ranked, usually by points that reflect their participation. While the exact display can vary, it commonly highlights who's most active and helpful over different time ranges, like weekly, monthly, or all time. Think of it as a snapshot of momentum in the group. Who's asking smart questions, sharing thoughtful insights, or showing up consistently. If you don't see a leaderboard, a few things might be going on. The community host may have chosen to hide or disable it, or certain roles may have limited visibility. It can also be as simple as being in a different community than you intended, so double-check the group name at the top of your screen. A quick refresh or using the latest app version can help if something looks out of place. To recap, open the Skool community you're interested in, then locate the leaderboard section in that community's navigation. That's all there is to it. With this, you can easily track engagement and celebrate the contributors who help make your community great.